The Galaxy Z Fold 8 marks a major shift for Samsung. It's the company's first wide format foldable, and honestly this might be the most practical design they have ever made. You are getting something that feels noticeably lighter and more compact in your pocket, but when you unfold it, you still have that large immersive 7.6-inch display that's bright, sharp and ideal for content consumption. The 5.5-inch cover display is wider this time, which makes a real difference. It's far more comfortable for everyday tasks, whether that's scrolling TikTok, replying to messages, or typing with two hands without feeling cramped. Samsung's new Flex titanium tech has also pushed the crease closer to being a non-issue, which is a big deal for long-term usability. And on top of that, you are getting smarter AI features like Now Nudge that actually feel useful in day-to-day scenarios. That said, there are trade-offs. The biggest one, no telephoto zoom, and depending on how much you rely on that, it could be a deal breaker. It's wide, it's a little unconventional, and yeah, I kind of want one. Samsung is launching two book-style foldables in 2026, but the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is easily the one I choose to carry. And that comes down to one key reason: it looks and feels completely different from anything Samsung has done in the past 7 years of foldables. This design is all about being compact and lightweight, almost passport-like in footprint, but paired with noticeably wider front and inner displays. The result is a foldable that feels purpose-built for consuming content, whether that's video, social media, or reading. What's interesting is that the Fold 8 still inherits several high-end features from the more expensive Fold 8 Ultra that includes Flex titanium for reducing the crease, a higher capacity silicon carbon battery, and an anti-glare coating on the display. Of course, hitting the $1,899 price means compromises. You are losing the telephoto lens and there is no flex mode this time around. But even with those trade-offs, I can already see a lot of people gravitating towards this design. Here are my hands-on impressions so far. Samsung is officially launching the Galaxy Z Fold 8 on August 7 with pre-orders opening today, July 22. Pricing starts at $1,899 for the base model with 256GB of storage and 12GB of RAM. If you want more storage, the 512GB version jumps to $2,099 and the 1TB model along with 16GB of RAM comes in at $2,499. Samsung is finally using silicon carbon battery technology in the Fold 8, which allows for higher capacity without increasing size. You are getting a 4800 mAh battery, up from 4400 mAh in the Fold 7 despite the more compact design. Charging speeds have also improved. Wired charging jumps to 45 watt, which should get you to around 69% in 30 minutes. Wireless charging increases to 20 watt as well. However, there is still no built-in magnetic system like MagSafe. You'll need a compatible case for that, which feels like a missed opportunity.